going, Carter. We're moving. Watch out, Jenny Rush. Watch yourself.
Oh, I'm having fun now.
Oh.
This is the new improved version with stolen bungees
Stolen.
and all kinds of stuff, and it's probably going to break and kill us both. I'm having to break from the inside to do a little bit of stucco work. I noticed when it rained really hard, a little bit of water got in some of these windows. Not much, just a little bit. Could have been from the fact that the windows were open because of extension cords that run underneath it, but I think they might have something to do with the stucco not being finished. So I'm at least going to knock out the edge of the windows. These poles are two different sizes. One actually fits inside of the other, so you got to be careful when you put the brackets and all up. They're all different sizes. This is an insert that goes on the end of the bigger pole. To line this groove up with the hole, because you'll be putting a small Allen wrench bolt in it. You know, that works. Since that works so good on the other side, I figured I might as well use it on this side too. And there's also a little set screw here. Guess it just makes it so it doesn't wiggle.